So hello and good day everyone. For today's session or tutorial, we're going to show you on how we can append a column by using a SuperMap iDesktop. So first, you need to add a data source by right clicking this. You can either open an existing data source, or you can open or create a new file data source. As I already have a data source, so I will just open my existing file data source. So after that, after I open my data source, I already add my shapefile and my Excel file, which I add a district and a population dataset. By right clicking this one, you can see if you right click this data source, you can either import the dataset or create a new dataset. So I already import my existing dataset here. So next, we are going to check the attribute table of both dataset. Okay, so for first, we're going to check the population attribute table. So as you can see, there is a column here, which is SM user ID name 1, name 2, name 3, and type, trip, and pop underscore 2017. And here in our district dataset or in our district attribute table, you can see there is another type of, which is ENG type 3, ID 0, ID 1, ID 2, ID 3, and so on. And as you can see, there is a name tree here. And in our population sheet, we also have a name tree here. So we will use this field information for the appending process later. But before we append the dataset, we need to make sure that this data type, which is the both data type, needs to be the same. So we're going to right click on the dataset, but if you want to close this tab, you can just close it first. And then you need to right click on this population underscore sheet, and as you can see, the type of the population for the name tree that we are going to do the, which will be as a reference here, we're going to see the type here is a text type. But in the district, when we check the attribute table of the district, the type is different for a name underscore tree, which is a white chart. So we're going to change this name underscore tree under district into the text, as we use this population sheet as our reference. So after we change it into the type into text, we're going to click apply, and then you see there's a backup one, which is the backup of the previous data, which is under the white chart. But we have a new one, which is as you can see, the district for the new one is already under the text. So we're going to start our main tutorial today, which I'm going to show you on how we can append the column from here. So first, we're going to check the data here. We're going to click the data, and then as you can see in our data and the data processing tab, there is a append column here. You just click this one. So we're going to select the district one as a target data with the name underscore tree as our field, and we're going to select the population here. Append column here, we're going to change this target data here into name underscore tree. And then for our append column, we're going, instead of backup district, we're going to change it into population sheet, and we're going to change it into our join field is name underscore tree, but our append field that we want to append is a population underscore 2017. Then we click it and click OK. So as you can see, this one is the task manager, where you can see the progress of the task that you already done, which is 100% successful. So you can just right click this one and you can open it at its attribute table again, and as you can see you can open this attribute table also, and as you can see that this old attribute table didn't have this population underscore 2017, but the new one already have this population underscore 2017. So this is how we append the column by using iDesktop 10i. Thank you.